Welcome to another build on the channel. This time I have a 2016 Skoda Fabia SE 5-door. It's the 1.2 TSI petrol engine with 6-speed gearbox. This car is on the insurance register as a category S due to the bent wing brackets, and it's only covered 48,951 miles. Being the SE model, it does have a good spec with such features as remote central lock-in, front electric windows, heated electric mirrors, power steering, collision warning system, cruise control, air conditioning, automatic headlights, automatic wipers, rear parking sensors, stop-start system, and a touchscreen infotainment system with DAB radio, USB and Bluetooth connectivity. If you require any more information on any build you see on my channel, you can comment below or email me on c96rebuilds@gmail.com. Do give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying this sort of content, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any upcoming builds. But that's it for now. Let's get this one inside and take a look at this damage. So that's all the damaged parts removed off the front. So let's take a look at what's going on. So first of all, obviously the new parts we're going to need is a new bumper. The top grille, the bottom grille, they were not broken at all, and the offside fog light is good. So a new bumper, like the bumper carcass, and one fog light. Obviously the headlight is no good, and we need another wing. That's okay. The wheel arch liner is broken, too many pieces for that, so we need that. But the damage to the actual car itself then, when we look, there was no damage on the chassis leg. We saw it before that it had sort of missed it here, so this is all straight on that part there. But if we can get a look here, so this is obviously why it's classed as structural damage, because this panel comes up and is off of there, so that should be coming out straight, and then this should be coming down, because obviously this bracket here should be around this way holding the wing. But if we just have a look at the other side, they're not exactly the same shape on these, but you can see that sort of part here would be flat and then comes up, and then this is the wing bracket that comes on here. So as we say, that bracket should be facing like that, so that's where it should be. It's only really just to take that down ever so slightly and turn this part up as it comes in to bring it straight, and then this bracket should need to just come around there. So, you know, it's probably about 20 minutes work just to tap it and shape it, and that really is just the category S damage. No other damage to the chassis. Crash bar is good, the front radar, no other damage on there. So really that's about it. I was looking to change this because I thought with the state of the headlight, but looking at this headlight support and the other one, again, no difference in those. And as we said, this has not been touched here, so all still in shape and no damage to the actual top of the arm there. No damage on the suspension. Everything is straight down there, but just look in there. So that's got to go down and come around. So those are the parts we're going to need to put this one back together for now. But we're going to leave that video there. We'll get the parts ordered, and then we'll look forward to seeing you soon in part 2, where we'll try and get this one back together and off to the paint shop, or if the parts come early, we'll get it to the paint shop first. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you soon.